Hello students. Today will be discuss about in computer subject chapter number 4 insert tab in PowerPoint. They are the related to this chapter some MCQs. So now explaining to different important MCQs related this chapters. So now the start some MCQs. Now start question number 1. Dash is a presentation program. Right answer of this question option A uTorrent, B Mozilla Firefox, C MS PowerPoint, D slide panel. So the right answer of this question C. And again question number 2, in PowerPoint the header and footer button can be found on the insert tab in what group? किस ग्रुप में पाया जाता है? ऑप्शन ए टेबल्स ग्रुप, बी टेक्स्ट ग्रुप, सी ऑब्जेक्ट ग्रुप एंड डी illustration group. These questions answers B text group. Text group, the right answer of this question B. Now next question, question number 3, which is not the valid edition of MS PowerPoint. Their answer A MS PowerPoint 2003, B MS PowerPoint 2007 and C MS PowerPoint 2010 and D MS PowerPoint 1920. So the right answer D MS PowerPoint D. D option is right. And again question number 4, the slide that is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called their option title slide, bullet slide, table slide and D graph slide. So the right answer of this question A title slide is the right answer. A is the right answer. And the next question, question number 5, the PowerPoint view that displays only text, title and bullet is their options outline view, B note space view, C slide sorter and D slide show. Their answer is A outline view. Outline view is the right answer of this question. A is the right option of this question. And again question number 6. Question number 6, Times New Roman, Cambria, Arial are the example of A option font face, clip art, smart art, themes. So it is the font face. Font face is the right answer of this question क्योंकि टाइम्स रोमन, कैम्ब्रिया, एरियल ये फॉन्ट फेस होते हैं फॉर द टेक्सचुअल मैटर. राइट आंसर ए font face. And again question number 7, what is the default PowerPoint standard layout? Their option blank, title slide, title only, comparison. So the right answer of title slide B option is the right option for this question. And again question number 8. To center the selected text, the shortcut key is used Control plus C, Control plus E, and C Control plus O, and D Control plus U. Right answer of this question B, Control plus E for the center the line. B is the right answer of this question. And again question number 9. Which type of view is not present in PowerPoint view? There option extreme animation, slideshow, slide sorter, normal. So the right answer of this questions A. Extreme animation is not right answer of this question. Sorry, right answer because it is used in not of the view. And again question number 10. Question number 10. Which feature is not in MS PowerPoint? Option scan a virus, zoom, background color, slideshow. So the right of the answer of this question A, scan a virus. Scan a virus, not PowerPoint because it is the virus programs. A. And again question number 11. Which key helps to move to the beginning of a line? Beginning of a line, page up, page down, home, and D, insert. So the right answer is home key. Home key go to the beginning point. Beginning line पर जाने के लिए home key का use करते हैं. So the right answer of this question C, home key. And next question, question number 12. To make the selected text italic, the shortcut key is option Control plus Z, B Control plus Alt plus I, and C Control plus K, and D Control plus I. So the right answer of this question B, Control plus Alt plus I. And again question number 13. Which PowerPoint view displays each slide of the presentation as a thumbnail and is useful for rearranging slides? Their option A, Slide Master, B, Slideshow, and C, Slide Sorter, and D, Note Space. So the right answer of these questions is C, Slide Sorter. Slide sorter is the right answer of this question. And again question number 14. To delete the selected text, press delete, control, home, and D option the none of these. None of these. So the right answer of this question A option, delete. Delete is the right option, A option. And question number 15. Press dash to delete one word to the right. So the right answer control plus delete, control plus enter, control plus tab and control plus backspace. So, the right answer of A is the right answer of this question. Now, last questions answer options A. Now close your today's work and again some MCQs, explanation. Next day, so the stop your today work. Thanks. Have a good day.